Welcome to the WebLedger. I am sure your business deals with hundreds of documents on a daily basis. Imagine if you could access all of them at one single place on your fingertips. Well, Drive does exactly that for you. Let's get into it. Once you log into your account, scroll down and select the My Drive option. This will feature all your documents, be it related to business, branches, workboards, clients, service, or your personal documents that you want only stored for yourself. My Document folder does that. Click on the My Document folder, select the Add New option, upload a file, and that's it. You're done. Back to the home page, you have another folder under the name of Business Documents. Here is where you can store all the business documents. The Branch Document folder will filter out all the documents based on the different branches. Next is a Workboard folder. Once you click onto it, you will see the documents are bifurcated based on the different boards that we created in the workboard video. Click onto the Income Tax, and this again features all the documents classified based on the different tasks that we created. If you upload a document while creating a task, it will automatically show here. Next is a client bifurcation. Select a particular client and you can see their KYC documents once you upload them. The in and the out documents that we did via the other services option will be automatically showing here once you do that. The invoice option here again will automatically store all the invoice generated for different services that we offer them. And there's a services folder which helps you classify the documents based on the different service that you provide to the client. For example, if you check income tax here, this will feature documents based on different years, which will automatically show once uploaded. Remember, if we toggle onto the settings tab, we can configure these drive settings for our clients based on if we want them to have a limited access or a full access to these files. Alternatively, if you go on to a client, click on to a specific client, go to settings, in the client login, enable the login access. Here you can see a drive access option. Enable this and your client will have all the access. Save and you're good to go. We are sure this document directory will help you ease out your daily references to document super easily. Thank you for joining in at the WebLedger office.